Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing you guys the new updates about Now2trade Arbitrage platform. Now2trade has been having some issues lately, like with their withdrawal, exchange and transfer. So right now I'm going to be sharing my opinion and my review. So guys, before we move to this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video and make sure you hit the post notification to get notified anytime I drop new updates. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's go to Now2trade. So basically what happened was that on 6th as you can see, Now2trade has okay. So what happened was that, if you can read this message from their Telegram group. They said, "Dear user, we apologize for any difficulty you may have while performing certain transactions such as exchange, funding and withdrawals. Our engineering will perform an upgrade from 1st of March to 2nd of March. And our team is working to fix this and we will provide an update soon. Thank you." So as you can see, like, they actually announced this message on February 28th that there will be an upgrade going on. And if you come to your Now2trade app here, to the Now2trade app, you are going to see the system updates. Statistics of our effects takes effect after 24 hours. Can you see this stuff is still loading? Then apart from that, I tried to withdraw my Bitcoin from Now2trade, and as you can see, like, I made a withdrawal today on the 5th. It was not approved. I made a withdrawal again on the 5th early in the morning. It was not approved. I made a withdrawal 2 times. Sometimes the money will bounce back, sometimes the money just can't. So I made a withdrawal yesterday too. It was not approved. As you can see, I made a withdrawal. I made 2 withdrawals yesterday. It was not approved. Few days I haven't dropped or talked about the platform. I just want to let you know that Now2trade is not a scam, and from what I saw, it's not even to this system shutdown of a team. People still use the platform and there are hundreds of transactions on the system. Now, one thing you need to put in mind is that don't ever withdraw any money above $150 at a time, or to be more precise, don't use the system for now. And also stop sending me any message to me because I'm not the same.
thank God that Now2trade. So this is Now2trade orphanage visit to the orphan.
Try and withdraw from there. Maybe you can do it. Now, chill for some few days and keep following. So, thank you very much.